Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best torque wrench for bicycle you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many torque wrench for bicycle and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each torque wrench for bicycle, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a torque wrench for a bicycle. First, accuracy is essential because even a small difference in torque can damage delicate bike components. Look for a wrench that is factory calibrated and provides clear readings. Second, consider the torque range to ensure it fits the requirements of your bike's parts, such as bolts on the handlebars, seat post, and crankset. Third, check the build quality and material. Durable steel or alloy ensures long-lasting performance. Also, the handle design matters, and ergonomic, non-slip grip helps maintain control during use. Lastly, choose a wrench with easy-to-read scales and a reliable click or digital notification when the desired torque is reached. Investing in a good torque wrench not only protects your bike but ensures consistent performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.